Welcome to Koko's Forest Adventure. Tonight's story, Boingy's Bedtime Adventure.
欢迎来到 Koko 的森林冒险。今晚的故事叫做《笨笨的洗澡冒险》。
Are you ready? Let's begin. Sunlight filled the forest today.
Koko was gathering berries near the stream.
The water sparkled like tiny diamonds.
Koko hummed a little tune as she worked.
She spotted Boingy sitting alone nearby.
Hi, Boingy. What are you doing? Asked Koko.
Boingy looked up with big round eyes.
I have something to tell you, said Boingy.
The other animals were playing together.
Boingy stood far away, watching them.
He wished he could join the fun.
But what if they do not want me?
Koko walked over to Boingy.
Hey! Come play with us, said Koko.
Boingy hesitated for a moment.
Are you sure? Asked Boingy softly.
Koko and Boingy tried something new.
Watch me first, said Koko gently.
Koko showed Boingy how to do it.
She moved slowly so Boingy could see.
Now you try, said Koko with a smile.
Boingy took a deep breath.
The first try was not perfect.
That is okay. Try again, said Koko.
Boingy tried once more with all his heart.
Something was starting to change.
A little spark of hope appeared. They kept walking through the forest.
The trees grew taller all around them.
Do you hear that? Whispered Boingy.
A soft sound came from far away.
It sounds like the river, said Koko.
They followed the sound together.
A butterfly landed on a nearby flower.
Both friends watched it for a moment.
Let us keep going, said Boingy.
Koko nodded and took Boingy's hand.
Something beautiful appeared before them.
Look at that, whispered Boingy.
Golden light filled the air around them.
Koko and Boingy held hands.
This is the best day ever, said Boingy.
And we found it together, said Koko.
The forest seemed to glow all around.
They sat together and watched in wonder.
Some moments are too beautiful for words. Koko and Boingy sat by the stream.
The water sang a soft, gentle song.
I will remember this day, said Boingy.
Me too, said Koko. Always.
Fireflies began to dance around them. Koko looked at Boingy one more time.
Kindness comes back to you.
Boingy nodded slowly. It was true.
Some lessons you feel deep in your heart.
The forest wrapped them in gentle quiet. Let's learn our 3 words from today.
Word 1, bath.
Boingy learned what bath means today.
Word 2, bubble.
Koko showed Boingy how to be bubble.
Word 3, clean.
Koko and Boingy found something clean. Great job, little friends.
You learned 3 new words today.
Kindness comes back to you.
Good night, everyone.
Sweet dreams, little friends. If you enjoyed the story, please like and subscribe.
晚安，小朋友。喜欢今天的故事吗？请按赞订阅我们的频道。
New stories every week. See you next time.